Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout, the place where you discover tools that simplify your work, boost your results, and save your money. Today's review is going to be all about unlocking your visual creativity. Even if you've never touched Photoshop, never paid for a design course, and never hired a freelancer in your life, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful platform that breaks every rule about design tools, and it's called ImagioAI. If you've ever dreamed of having a personal design studio that's fast, powerful, and always available, this tool is the closest thing to it. ImagioAI isn't just another image generator. It's a complete visual powerhouse that lets you tap into over 15 of the world's best AI tools, including Midjourney, DALL, Firefly, Stable Diffusion, and others, all in one clean, simple dashboard. You don't need to buy separate subscriptions. You don't need to keep logging in and out of different tools. You don't even need to worry about design skills. Everything you need is built into this one platform. With ImagioAI, you pay once and use forever. No monthly fees, no credit-based limits, no feature lockouts. You get full access to everything from day one, and it stays that way. And for a one-time price as low as $14, it might be one of the smartest investments you'll make in your online journey. Think about it. You pay $20, $40, even $100 a month for tools like Canva Pro, Midjourney, or Photo. That's hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. But ImagioAI gives you everything up front, no strings attached. What's even more impressive is how easy it is to use. You don't have to deal with complicated software, confusing sliders, or endless prompts. You just type in what you want, click Generate, and your visual is created in seconds. Whether it's a product shot, a social media post, a thumbnail for your YouTube video, or a mock-up for a client, ImagioAI handles it like a pro. You can even take rough ideas or low-quality images and turn them into polished, professional visuals with just a few clicks. This isn't just for solo creators either. It's designed for business owners, brands, marketers, and agencies who want high-quality visual content without the delays or the costs. You can remove backgrounds, upscale images, restore old photos, animate characters, and even create logo designs or Ghibli-style illustrations, all with commercial rights included. That means you can sell the designs you create, offer them as services, or use them for client projects without worrying about copyright or licensing. Now, let's talk about creative freedom. One of the biggest problems with traditional design tools is that you don't actually own anything. You're paying to use their system. You're storing your work on their servers. And if something goes wrong, maybe your payment fails or you cancel your subscription, your work is gone. It's locked away, deleted, or stuck behind a wall. With ImagioAI, your content belongs to you. You can download it, use it, sell it, and keep it for life. This alone puts you ahead of the curve. No more worrying about subscription renewals, disappearing files, or losing access to years of work. No more being at the mercy of a platform's policies or tech issues. You use ImagioAI, you're in control. You're not renting creativity, you're owning it. And the speed, it's mind-blowing. You can create visuals faster than it takes to explain them. In less than a minute, your idea can go from concept to completion. Whether you're building a brand from scratch or pumping out daily content for social media, this speed can make all the difference. Imagine the possibilities that you're working on a new product, generate mockups instantly. You're launching a campaign, create all your ads in one session. You're making a YouTube video, produce your thumbnails, banners, and graphics in minutes. It removes all the friction from your workflow and gives you back time to focus on what really matters. And for those who want to earn from this tool, the potential is huge. You could start a design gig on Fiverr or Upwork today and deliver work within hours without needing any prior experience. You could offer packages for social media graphics, product packaging, custom illustrations, or visual branding, all powered by ImagioAI. Since you're not paying monthly, every sale is profit. And since there's no learning curve, you can start delivering results from day one. Let's be real. The internet is flooded with content. Everyone's trying to get attention. If your visuals aren't bold, clean, and professional, they'll get ignored. ImagioAI makes it easy to stand out. With stunning image quality, diverse style options, and endless customization, you can make your brand look like $1,000,000, even if you're starting on a tight budget. Another thing I love is how beginner-friendly it is. Some tools expect you to know the ins and outs of prompt engineering, while others overwhelm you with buttons and settings. ImagioAI feels different. It's streamlined, intuitive, and made for everyday users. You won't need to watch hours of tutorials. You won't feel lost. It's built to empower, not confuse. And even if you've been burned by tools in the past, hidden fees, difficult cancellations, support that never responds, this one is different. They back everything with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can test it, try it, and explore everything risk-free. If it's not right for you, you get your money back. But I have a feeling that once you see what it can do, you won't even think about refunding. This is the kind of tool that levels the playing field. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, a business owner or a side hustler, a content creator or a freelancer, it gives you an edge. It saves you time, cuts your costs, and boosts your productivity. And most importantly, it gives you creative control. To wrap this up, I'll say it plainly. ImagioAI is a rare gem in a world full of overpriced tools and broken promises. It delivers on every front: quality, simplicity, flexibility, and affordability. It replaces hundreds of dollars worth of software and services, and it puts world-class design power in your hands. If you're tired of struggling with visuals or spending too much time and money to create content, now's your chance to take back control. That's it for today's review. That I hope this gave you a clear and honest view of what ImagioAI offers. If you're ready to step up your visual game, check the link in the description. Give it a try, explore what it can do, and see for yourself why this tool is creating such a buzz. Thanks for watching another review from the Review Scout. Be sure to like the video, drop your questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe for more digital product breakdowns and honest insights. Stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.